Welcome to my channel where I create art one click at a time. This is the location for a shoot or photo shoot today. The model I'll show you who she is in a while, but in the meantime just enjoy, just look at the back there. It's not the first shoot I'm doing here, it's the first one I'm doing that I'm gonna present to you, my viewers on YouTube. So here we are today at the beautiful Avocat Falls in the village of Blanchisseuse. Here we are. What I will be shooting with today is the M50 with my EF glass, which is the 50mm and the 85mm Yongnuo. But recording right now is the M50, on the M50 with the 22mm EFM lens, which is a fantastic combination for this sort of thing, vlogging, stuff like that. I chose not to use the 15 to 45 today. I just wanted some really sharp lenses today to bring you some really good photos. So let me just check on the model and I'll get back to you shortly. Beautiful. So that shoot today was excellent. The model was fantastic. The location was beautiful. Couldn't have asked for more. So that being said, it was a great shoot and I'm about to upload all those photos on the computer and check them through. I don't need any sort of editing on those photos because straight from the camera they all look fantastic. camera in use was the Canon M50, which I'm recording this video on right now. Two lenses I used was the 50mm Nifty 50 as you know it, and the Yongnuo 85mm 1.8. So that being said, there's great content coming on this channel. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video. So don't miss it. There's some great ones coming. Take care, peace, and stay quarantined. Keep your distance. So I hope to see you all again soon.